will take minimum 2 years when you start. So choice is yours. If you start today, you may see yourself here in next 2 years. If you start after 1 year, then plus 2 years, plus 2 years. So ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ವಿತ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಇಂಪೇಷಂಟ್. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದರು ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಅದೇ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಯಮ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಟೆಂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಟೆಂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಮೇ ಗೋ ಟು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಡೆಫ್. I'll tell you a story in this. There are a lot of frogs in a well, and from years together they are there. One frog decided to jump. Everybody said it won't happen, anta. Because they were trying from so many years, but they could not do. But one frog actually jumped the well because he was deaf. He could not listen to anybody, no negative thoughts. He just moved forward. He wanted to move out, he moved out. So same way, you have to be deaf to negative people. 100% ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಾಗ ಅವರು ಕೆಲವು ಜನರು ಹೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ 100% ಶ್ಯೂರ್ somebody in your surroundings would have told that. Somewhere roommates will say, somewhere neighbors will say, somewhere somebody else will say. But ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ you made a choice. No, I will go because I want to succeed in my dream. That is point number one. First, what is the point? Tell me. I'll just give you 5-6 points to think upon. What is the first point? No. First point was dream. You missed out on this only. First point was dream. You have to dream. Second point is become deaf. Deaf andre ashte purti illa, just towards your aim, no negative thoughts. Third point, learn to say no. If something is coming between you and your studies, learn to say no. Agalla. ಸಂಜೆಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. No, I will not go. Maduve will happen without me, but my study will not happen with Maduve. Somebody says, let's go to a theater, I will not go. Somebody says, we'll go and just hang around, no, I will not go. Somebody says, let's go to a birthday party, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಊಟ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೋಟೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಊಟ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, no, I will not see. Somebody will say, the India T20 match ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಚಿನ್ನಸ್ವಾಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. No, I don't have time. If I want to watch that match, I will watch the 2 minutes highlights. Okay. If somebody says, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ಇದು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, no, I will not go. Because it is your work, you please do that. But be very humble, don't be rude. That is the thing. Just be humble, be very polite and say no, sorry, I can't. You try this. For 1 month you say no, then for the second month nobody will ask you. Then you are in your zone. Okay, this is my zone, nobody will enter the zone. Third will be this. Fourth will be, don't only learn from successful people. See people who have not succeeded. I am telling you, more than me, this gentleman will know how to succeed in the examination. Maybe I just got lucky. I'm really serious about it. Maybe I just got lucky. But he will know how to prepare and what not to do. So learn from people who could not be there at that point of time. And last, I would say, never stop believing in yourself. When I came to Karnataka after getting a service, I had no idea about Karnataka. I had never come into Karnataka. before getting selected for UPSC. I just knew one city, that is called Bengaluru. I did not know one word of Kannada. I did not know anybody. Then as a trainee, I met sir and then other friends, and then I kept meeting. But never did I ever feel that I am alone. I said, निमको हिंदी अर्थ आगुत्ते? I said, यार एग्जाम पास कर लिया तो इधर भी सर्वाइव कर लेंगे, क्या प्रॉब्लम है बताओ? Exactly ना? So same way, if you believe in yourself, okay, if that person can do it, why not us? See, we are here not to tell you that we are very great personalities, no. We have our own jobs. Just to tell you that people like you may be toppers. Average people can also get through, provided they follow some discipline, some rules, and they are determined to do something. I have never come first in any class, starting from class 1 to graduation, anywhere. But I have never come last also. That is the trick. So if you see in front, you may see a big line, but sometimes I see back also. I say, okay, yaar, itna bhi bura nahi hai. We are placed somewhere better only. So that is how you have to treat yourself. So I am telling you, because you have to spend a lot of time with yourself. You have to do self-talk, you have to do self-motivation, you have to keep motivating yourself. Well, you will be your best friend. If that doesn't happen, then I'm really doubtful that any kind of success can come. Let only this. Sachin Tendulkar played 16 hours a day. But he played cricket. He never talked to anybody. Whom did he talk to? Himself. Usain Bolt trains for hours together for a 9.58 second 100-meter dash. Whom does he talk to? Nobody. There are other great scientists. APJ Abdul Kalam. He always said that you are your own best friend. If you can't be your own best friend, how can you expect somebody else to be your best friend? If you cannot accept yourself, how can somebody else accept you? And this is exactly what I believed when I went for my first interview. I used to be like very positive. हो जाएगा अपना types, and I was in Delhi University. So then people used to say कि अरे Venkat, you don't be overconfident, yaar. This is not right, and all that 5 years plan and all. I said, if I can't convince myself that I can be there, then how can I convince the UPSC board who's sitting there? First I have to convince myself, na? So, and this is very simple. You just don't have to do anything. You just have to look into yourself and see you have it in you. Like sir said ki, what are your weaknesses? You see that you are your own critic. You know that if you keep your shoes properly or not, if you keep your shirt properly or not, you know it yourself. Nobody else will know in this world. So you are your own critic. So if you can't convince yourself that I can be there, then I'm really sorry. In any examination or in life generally, it will be very difficult for you to convince anybody else to do that. So that is how you believe in yourself. Okay, then apart from these, you can say some fundas, or you may say points to remember. Obviously hard work, commitment, studies and everything will go on, but you must have heard that winners don't do different things, they do things differently. So this is exactly what you have to do different. And please don't study late at night. I am like very firm believer in this. Don't be a late this thing at night. You sleep by 11, you get up at 5, you get up at 4 if you want. But never, night studies never help. Statistically also I can prove it. You take 10 of your friends who study like whole night and who sleep all day. You see their personality, you see their social life, and you see people who are early risers. You can make up your mind. I think some statistics must have gone in your mind. Please get up early. do some yoga, physical exercise, or whatever makes you happy. If you want to dance, you dance in the morning. If you want to listen to music, do something which will make you happy, and then you tell it to yourself that yes, this is going to be a good day, this is going to be a great day, and I am going to achieve my targets. I am telling you, sir, I always had like targets. I'll study for 10 hours, 12 hours, 13 hours. I never achieved it. But I always went above 8 hours, which is also beyond my capacity. I still think today, if I have to give it today, I can't study for 8 hours. So every day I used to be disappointed with myself. Hey, kya ho raha hai yaar? This is not going to work. See other people. I have read that interview. That person is studying for 10 hours. Rank 1 studied for 14 hours. I am not able to do it for 10 hours. No. But see again, whatever you do, 8 hours, I am telling you, you write it down. If you study 8 hours for 1 year, there is no doubt that you will not succeed in any examination. Whether it may be CAT or it may be UPSC or it may be any other examination. 8 hours every day, disciplined life. Nothing can match that. And you try it for 1 month, you will see a change in your personality. Your parents will also be happy with you. Your friends will also be happy with you. And if you do all those things, I think getting through or not getting through is a matter of one line only. That is not a great achievement. But definitely you will be able to achieve something which you deserve.